I speak and do keynotes all over the world. During the Plus course, I'll be doing essentially 3 of my keynotes plus a workshop. So we'll do a deep dive on artificial intelligence. Very important technology, transforming every business on the planet. So we'll do a deep dive on AI, what it is, what it's being used for, what kind of problems it can solve. Then we'll get into another technology which I think is very transformational in the next decade, which is blockchain. What is it? How does it work? What can you use it for? What kind of problems can it solve? How might you run your business differently once you've got blockchain in the equation? So that's the morning, and in the afternoon we'll get into how do you use those as an input to the Futurecasting process. This is a process that futurists like me use to help us model and plan the future we want to build. So using AI and blockchain as inputs, we'll be running through that process. I'll explain the process, and then we'll actually do a mini Futurecasting workshop in the session so that people figure out how to make it run, and then they can go back to their companies. I'll give them all the tools that they need to be able to run that at their own companies and use that to help them model and plan for their company's future.